Hello again, I'm Omid from Speak Rich with me. Welcome back. In this video today we're gonna focus on prepositions of time. Yes, in, on, and at. In this case, we're gonna learn how to use them. Sometimes during our speaking in the restaurants, in different situations, we use prepositions, but we don't use them accurately. Definitely, we know them, but we don't know how to use them. In this video, we're gonna focus on the prepositions, and we want to learn how to use them. The first one is preposition in. We use in for months. In April, in January, in July. I was born in July, and he was born in September. We use preposition in with month, the first item. The second one, we use in for years. He was born in 1992. We don't say on. No, he was born in 1992. The other one is for decades. You know, decades for 10 years. 1990s, 1920s. There was a kind of problematic issue in my country in 1920s. It was the Great Depression in America in 1930s. In 10 years, 1930s. And for centuries. Anton Chekhov, the Russian writer, was born in the 19th century. In the 19th century. Yes, we use in for the century, but because we use ordinal numbers for centuries, we definitely need article the. In the 19th century, in the 21st century, wow, we live in the 21st century. In preposition, the 21st century. And we use in for seasons. We usually go on holiday in summer. And schools in my country open in autumn. The schools open in autumn. We use in summer, in autumn, in winter, in spring. And the other one that we want to focus different parts of the day. We say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Yes, remember, we use preposition in for months, years, decades, centuries, seasons, and different parts of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. The next preposition is on, the preposition that we want to focus in this part. On. We use on with weekdays, on Saturday, on Monday, on Tuesday. And of course, in American English, we say on the weekend, but in British, we say at the weekend. I don't teach on Fridays. And my friend doesn't work on Sundays. Yes, we use preposition on with weekdays. And the other part of the preposition on, we could go to dates. The movie is on the 1st. Yes, on the 1st of this month. Or there is a great concert on the 5th. On the 5th. Remember, if you remember, I told you we use preposition in with months. But in the case of date and month together, we use on. There's a great concert on December 2nd. On December 2nd. But if we say just, if we want to use the month, we say in December. But if we have the date, we say on December 2nd. Yeah, this is American. But in British, we say on December the 2nd. On December the 2nd or on December 2nd. And we said we use preposition in for the morning. In the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. But if we have the day, weekdays or weekend, no difference, we use on with the part of the day. On Monday morning. Okay, I will see you on Monday morning. Goodbye. On Monday evening. On Tuesday afternoon. On Tuesday afternoon. Yes, in the morning, but on Tuesday afternoon or on Tuesday morning, on Tuesday evening. The last one is preposition at. We use at with time. I will see you today at 9 p.m. or tonight at 9 p.m. And I will have the class tomorrow at 10 a.m. At 10, at 10:30. The train arrives at 10:30, at 10:30. And we use at with night, at night. I usually go for a walk with my friends at night. I go to bed at midnight. At night, at midnight. I will finish my job at noon, means 12 p.m. Remember, at night, at midnight, at noon, and we have others at dusk. When the sun sets in the evening, we say at dusk, and in the morning at twilight. So preposition at time, at 10 o'clock, at 11 o'clock, at 11:30, at night, at midnight, at noon, at dawn, at twilight, and at dusk. So, if you find the video interesting, like it and subscribe our channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.